Hi, what drew my attention towards Sky International School is that it have a global vision and it is student-centered with the dedicated educators. With the current leadership, it is actually the best place to grow. I am Ahmed. I am going to teach you ICT this year. I've started teaching 20 years ago. I worked in different countries around the world, like Germany, Finland, Malaysia, and many other countries. I have taught students from UK, US, Germany, Hong Kong, Korea, and Malaysia. I enjoy teaching slow learners and students with mild learning disabilities. I enjoy breaking complex topics into simpler ones that is easy to understand and fun to learn. My background is in computer engineering. I have certificates from Stanford, Arizona State University, and University of Colorado. Parents usually describe me as a mentor beside being a teacher. Really, I can't wait to join you in your learning journey.